Hello, I'm Crafter Wong. Welcome to Craft Along with Crafter Wong. And in this episode, we're building the best Unova starter. What's a Tepig? Who's Oshawott? I don't care. We're making Snivy. Besides that, if you want to build this model with me, you can download the templates in the link in the description. And don't forget, since you're down there, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite color. There you go. Anyways, sit back and enjoy. In total, this model took about an hour to build, and the video was so short, you might as well just watch it again. Just play it on loop and put me on mute. No? Okay. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I forgot. But don't forget to do those two things.